Hi there, my name's Emma and I'm the property manager at the Overlook at St. Thomas Apartments. Today we're going to take a look at our Kensington floor plan. This is a 3-bed, 4-bath townhome at 2,616 square feet. You're not going to find anything like it in Louisville. Let's take a look. We're starting in the entry, and two things I want to note for the Kensington floor plan are that we do have garages included. So this is either attached to your unit or right next door, a very convenient walk, or right outside of your coat closet. There's a half bath off to the side, and then we're gonna go into our formal dining area. Immediately we walk in and there's tons of natural light. That's because of our beautiful bay window feature that is custom to this floor plan. It does offer the space to be a formal dining room if you would prefer, or you can make it an office, a playroom, whatever fits your lifestyle. And now I'll lead you through these beautiful French doors into our kitchen. This space has granite countertops, chestnut brown cabinets, a very deep farm-style sink. You'll have black GE appliances or stainless steel Whirlpool appliances depending on your townhome. Off to the side, you have a pantry area for extra storage that pairs well with all the plentiful cabinets that you have in the space. There's a window off of the back of the sink to make it feel nice and open and a lot of room to move around so you can have 2 cooks in this kitchen. It'll lead you into your breakfast area or make this a sitting area depending on if you want to utilize this natural light for extra space in your apartment. The porch off of the side is a lovely gathering space to enjoy the beautiful sunlight and the nice woods that are behind your apartment. You have 2 doors off of the side of the back, one off your living room, one off your sitting area. In the living room, you have plenty of space for lots of furniture. You're more than welcome to mount your TVs, but again, enjoying all this beautiful room to entertain both you and your family. Now we're on the second floor where you will find all 3 bedrooms. On one side, you have 2 secondary bedrooms, equal in size. They both have a bifold door closet, a large window, and they share a full-size bath with marble tile and a garden-style tub. Now we're in the primary suite where you have this unique Juliet door to overlook the beautiful views. There is also a spacious walk-in closet as well as an ensuite bathroom with a double vanity and a gorgeous walk-in shower. Last thing to point out up here is the laundry room with a full-size washer and dryer and a linen closet. So convenient. And to wrap up, we're gonna head down to the lower level living space. You're gonna love this. Check this out. This is a proper bonus living area with a fireplace, a wet bar, a half bath, extra storage, and an additional walkout. It's the perfect entertaining space. And that's a quick look at our Kensington floor plan. If you'd like to make the Overlook your next home, call our leasing team. We would love to have you.